Passive income, the holy grail of personal finance topics. The ability to earn money without doing any work actively. A notion frequently emphasized in various videos and advertisements promoting the concept that millionaires earn from multiple income streams, so should you? Actually, there is a fundamental issue with the idea of passive income, and that is, it doesn't exist. While certain methods do differ from the conventional 9-to-5 job model, where compensation is directly correlated with time invested, the majority of the so-called passive income strategies showcased online, particularly on platforms like YouTube, are often misleading or entirely fabricated, targeting individuals in dire financial conditions, mostly from third-world countries. While some of these approaches may indeed have their benefits, some of these methods could generate income gradually. However, those that seem excessively appealing, promising earnings without any effort on your part, the reality often involves incurring losses, primarily due to the fees and registration expenses imposed just to engage with these strategies. Let's dive into why the concept of passive income isn't as promising as it sounds. Passive income generally refers to an income source that, once established, doesn't demand active involvement, allowing individuals to enjoy more personal time for leisure activities such as lounging by the pool, playing video games, or watching our videos if you have subscribed this channel. Genuine passive income isn't a common reality. Instead, when people mention passive income, they typically mean one of two things: investment income or entrepreneurial income. While these avenues do alter how effort translates into rewards, they still necessitate some level of exertion. The reason anything promising substantial returns without effort is often a gimmick is quite straightforward. Like you still not giving a like under this video, but anyways. Let's begin with investment income, the concept of owning assets that produce a yield, including stocks, bonds, and even rental properties. As a passive income strategy, it comes with a significant caveat. It requires initial capital to purchase these income-generating assets. For instance, when people discuss millionaires earning 7 streams of income, stemming from a 2002 IRS report, they often neglect to mention that 4 of these strategies, dividends, rentals, interest, and capital gains income, mandate an initial substantial investment. Certainly, some plans claim they can help you earn money without you having to spend money up front or put in a lot of effort. For example, there are investment bots that use special software to supposedly make your money grow faster than normal, or courses that suggest you buy several properties with just a small down payment when you're young. However, these plans often don't mention the risks that come with them. Let's take the case of putting all your money into buying a rental property, which might not be a good financial decision. While real estate can be a good way to make money by getting rent and seeing the property value go up, it also comes with unexpected costs like sudden repairs, for example, fixing a broken water heater or a damaged roof. Also, the possibility of having to pay more as interest rates go up is a big concern. If you don't have extra money to handle these unexpected costs or to cover rent when tenants don't pay, your investment could easily fail. The idea of entrepreneurial income being passive might seem somewhat comical. According to a New York Enterprise Report survey, the average small business owner works twice as hard as their employees, with a quarter putting in at least 60 hours weekly. Thus, quitting a regular job for a business endeavor to gain more free time isn't likely to pan out. Typically, 3 main factors come into play. The first is luck. Take an example of YouTube. With over 720,000 hours of content uploaded daily on YouTube alone, almost 90% of it will never surpass the 1,000 view mark, so luck also plays a crucial role in every entrepreneurial endeavor. Researching, script writing, filming, and then editing, is there anything passive about it? However, why do we frequently witness others endorsing these various strategies? Well, that's a simple one. One of the most prosperous and profitable passive income strategies, which we'll disclose to you, is selling passive income strategies. Yes, that's the reason why most popular finance videos on YouTube revolves around. The second is timing. Like in many endeavors, there's an early advantage for those who start first. The first drop shippers likely made a lot of money when online stores weren't as common. However, as more people join in, the returns from these efforts decrease quickly, leading to an oversupply that eliminates opportunities for others. It's essentially a case of taking advantage of price differences. Even those who make money this way are unlikely to keep getting regular cash flows. For example, a successful drop shipping store might make money for a few months or even a year, but it will eventually see a decline if it's not managed well. So, by the time you see an advertisement for a course, based on someone's few months of trying a passive income strategy and supported by 3 success stories, the opportunity has probably already gone. This leads to the third factor, and that is effort. Nearly 90% of e-commerce stores fail within their first 4 months, despite some having unique product offerings. The successful ones are typically those where individuals invest more time and effort into customizing their products, securing new drops ahead of competitors, and actively marketing their goods. The reason you encounter advertisements asserting that dropshipping is a pathway to wealth isn't because dropshipping is genuinely enriching people, but because the individual behind the ad profits from promoting the concept through sign-up fees for their courses. Despite the likelihood of earning less on an hourly basis using such a strategy than you would by driving for Uber. So far, the tone has been somewhat negative, but the intention here isn't to dissuade you from pursuing one of these passive income strategies if that's your aspiration. If you believe there's a demand for an online course or an ebook on a subject you happen to be an expert in, we'll encourage you to give it a try. You might even make some money along the way while following your passion. However, my point is that you must approach it with a clear understanding. You reap what you sow, and your success will be a result of your dedication, opportunity, and, most importantly, your effort. None of this is intended to criticize those who use the term passive income or freely share ideas about earning extra income on the side. Undoubtedly, there is value in venturing into entrepreneurship to build supplemental income. So, if you're inclined to try one of these strategies, all the best to you. Also, refrain from purchasing a $2,000 course on drop shipping from someone who's merely trying to fund their own passive income strategy. If their strategy truly facilitated effortless poolside earnings, they wouldn't need to sell you an ad on YouTube. Thank you for watching.